Hi, I'm Dan Hannum. I'm the owner of ProClean Carpet and Upholstery here in Northern Nevada. We've been in business since 1977, and we specialize in carpet cleaning and tile cleaning, area rugs. We service the Dayton, Carson Valley, Minden, Gardnerville, Genoa, Washoe Valley, and Lake Tahoe in the Glenbrook area. Living in the desert here in Northern Nevada in the wintertime, you could be tracking in a lot of this gravel that we have out here. And it's good to have your carpets cleaned about twice a year, but especially in the wintertime when people are tracking in gravel and things. This is extra wear and tear on your carpet, especially in the entryways and your traffic areas around the house. So I recommend that you have your carpets done at least once in the wintertime and then again in the summer. And for those really dirty areas that you have, we have the RX20. This is a rotary jet extractor. This will clean your carpets better than any other technique. It'll clean it deeper, pull out all the hair and dirt at the base of your carpet. And this is where it can really wear on your carpet if you don't get that all cleaned out. It'll start breaking your carpet down where your carpet lays flat if you leave that dirt in there. But the RX20 really helps out and makes your carpets look like new again. Starting in 2019, ProClean will be donating part of its proceeds to the Nevada Humane Society in the way of food for the animals that are in the Humane Society waiting for adoption. And to make a carpet cleaning appointment, call us at 775-720-0454. That's 775-720-0454. Or you could visit us at our website at www.procleaningnv.com. Thanks again.